And now the question number 8 of exercise 2.4. Question number 8 is half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and the 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Herd means a group of deer. From a group of deer, the half of the deer are grazing in the field and the 3/4, the remaining 3/4 are playing nearby. If half of the deer are grazing, then from the remaining half, the 3/4 of the remaining half are playing nearby, and the rest 9 are drinking water from the pond from a group of deer. Find the number of deer in the herd, and we have to find the number of deer in the herd. Okay, in a herd there is any number of deer in which their half are grazing and the remaining the 3/4 of the remaining half are playing and the rest 9 are drinking water. So we have to find the number of deer in that herd. Let's see the solution of question number 8. Okay, we have to find the number of deer, so we'll let the number of deer. So let the number of deer in that herd is x. So let x number of deer are there in a herd. So how much are grazing? Half. So number of deer grazing in the field is half of the number of deer in the herd. So if total number of deer in the herd are x, then their half is x upon 2. Only divide the number of deer, total number of deer, by 2. That is the half. So x upon 2 is the number of deer which are grazing in the field. And then number of deer playing nearby. Number of deer playing nearby. So how many deer are playing nearby? 3/4. 3/4 of the remaining half. 3/4 of the remaining half. So how much deer remain? X minus 2. So 3 upon 4 of means we have to use the sign of product. Take LCM here. So LCM is 2. 2 into x is 2x minus x equal 3 upon 4. 2x minus x is x upon 2. Okay, now find the product. 3 into x is 3x. 4 into 2 is 8. So how much deer are playing nearby? 3x upon 8. Now how much deer are drinking water? So 9. So number of deer drinking water is 9 is equals to 9. So here we have to find the total number of deer. So we'll let the total number of deer be x, and the half of the deer are grazing. So divide it by 2. So x by 2 are the number of deer which are grazing in the field. Then the remaining 3/4 of the remaining half are playing nearby. So 3/4 of remaining half. How much remain? If total is x and if x by 2 are grazing, then how much remain? X minus x by 2. So x minus x by 2 is 2x minus x, which is x by 2. So 3 upon 4 into x by 2 is 3x upon 8. And it is also given that 9 deer are drinking water from the pond. So the number of deer drinking water are 9. Now total number of deer. Okay, here we already let total number of deer, but when we add the number of deer which are grazing and the number of deer which are playing and the number of deer which are drinking water, then their sum is also the total number of deer. So we'll add them. The number of deer which are grazing, the number of deer which are playing 3x by 8, and the number of deer which are drinking water, which are 9. Okay, and total number of deer which will that is x. So x equal x upon 2 plus 3x upon 8 plus 9. Now we'll solve here. First we'll take the LCM. Here. Okay, so LCM of 2, 8 and 1. 2, 8 and 1. What is the LCM of 2, 8 and 1? The LCM of 2, 8 and 1 is 8. So let's see how. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1. Now 1 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 1 as it is. Again 2, 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1 as it is. Product of all these 2 are 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the LCM is 8. Okay, so what we will multiply in this 2 to get the product 8 is 4. So multiply its numerator by 4. So 4 into x is 4x and 4 into 2 is 8, which is its LCM. What will multiply in this 8 to get the product 8? 1. So 1 into 3x is 3x and 8 into 1 is 8, which is LCM. Okay, here in the denominator is 1. So what will multiply in 1 to get the product 8, which is 8. So 9 into 8 is 72 and 1 into 8 is this 8. It's LCM. Okay, now transfer this 8 to the left hand side. So 8 into x, 8 in the division form, so the transformation name of 8 is 8 into x. So 8 into x is 8x. 4x and 3x are the like terms, so add them. 4x plus 3x is 7x plus 72. Now transfer this 7x to the left hand side. So 8x plus 7x becomes minus 7x equal 72, because we are arranging the terms, like terms to the one side and the constant terms to the one side. So 8x minus 7x is x equal 72. So here x equals 72, and in starting we let x is the total number of deers. So the total number of deers in that herd are 72. So we'll write here, thus the total number of deer in herd is 72. That's it. Okay, clear?